The Art of Product Management is a one-day strategic product management course. It's intended to give you an overview on the external facing or customer market facing parts of product management. It goes fast. We know you're busy product managers, so we really tried to keep this down to one day when we could spend weeks of time talking about the complexities of what we do. But it basically starts with a discussion all the way up to what's your company's strategy, breaking that all the way through to understanding how your product fits within that strategy, how it fits within its markets, what markets do you want to go after, sizing markets, total addressable markets, growing markets, those types of things. And then rolling that kind of down to getting to a point where you've gotten to a product roadmap. To me, what this course really is it's going to help you to see the customer, the business, the market-facing side of product management, and it'll take you from that point of very high-level strategy, developing that high-level strategy, and getting to roadmap. From there, though, once you've kind of gotten to that roadmap and you've got these product ideas or these things that you want to explore and you want to build, that's where the product discovery and delivery class fits in. The product discovery and delivery class is a 2-day course that really emphasizes and teaches product discovery and taking that product mindset and that spirit of product ownership. It gives an overview of what product agility is. It gives an overview of what product ownership is. And spoiler alert, it's not just for the product owner. It's actually for all of us on the team. Then it spends a lot of time talking about early product discovery. And by early product discovery, we need starting with that idea. One of those bullet points that was on that roadmap, figuring out what we're going to build, why we're going to build it, who we're going to build it for, and going from ideas to stories. Throughout this course, students are going to bring their own product ideas, which may be real life things from their company, and we're going to take that all the way from ideas to story. Our practices blend traditional product management practices, lean UX practices, and design thinking, walking you through things like collaborative chartering, persona development, day in the life development, visualizing experiences with things like story maps, value stream maps, C4 mapping, getting to journeys or paths through those experiences, and finally prioritizing ordered backlogs of epics, of features, and then lastly, getting to effective story writing and the writing of acceptance criteria. This class, then from there, it will pivot into creating roadmaps or plans across sprints and quarters, gets into a discussion of estimating and sizing at various different levels of the backlog, and then ends with a very deep discussion in validating. How do we know that we're making progress? How do we know that we're building the right thing? Because without that validation, we can't get to product learning, and without product learning, we aren't really going to achieve that agility. This is one of my absolute favorite classes. I took this as a student about 10 years ago, and it really changed my approach to product ownership and product management. It made me so much more effective. Where a lot of the methodology classes, they tell you what you're supposed to do as a product owner. This class tells you how to do it.